Hey guys, so how do you create a TikTok ads account? So that's what I'm going to teach you right now. It's a very simple process, just bear with me. So why do you use TikTok ads account? Well, it really helps with growth on your selling platform. So you could monitor stuff there. And that's just it. I'm going to teach you guys how to set this up right now. Just search this one right here. The TikTok ads manager sign up. Click on this one. Just wait for it to load here. And click get started. Just go ahead. Now you're going to be needing to sign up here your details, like where you're from, what country you're in, or what's the business name. That's the most important thing here. Let's just put sample studio. What's the currency? Is it on dollars? Is it on pesos? Industry. So we are on the I don't know for you guys, but I'm on the wait, let me find it. Here it is. It's in the first place here. The e-commerce. And what type of brand do you usually want to sell? What type of item? So you could choose from anywhere here. I'm going to choose this one. Again, this is just a for the sample. YouTube has currently prohibited some details to be added out, so I've filtered out some systems here, some infos here, and after that, that's my phone number. You just go ahead and click submit, and of course never forget to click the agree terms and conditions. Now we're inside. Just go ahead and just review your condition and anti-discrimination policy. By all means, guys, just read it so that you won't make any decisions on the app that you would regret, on the platform that you would regret later on. Now, how would you like to create your ads today? You want them to be basic or the advanced here? Let's go with basic, because you can't really make someone understand when they don't know anything yet. When they go to advanced, you got to go to basic. So what's your advertising goal? Just follow with me step by step in this process. Okay, we're here. Just read all of this. Please, it's really important to read all of this so that you'd make your proper decision and a proper assessment. So we are here. I'm going to click this one right here, the self products. So that's the goal here. At least that's my goal. So again, this is a very fresh account, so I'm just letting you guys know and see what it's really like to start off fresh. So click here, and we're going to create a catalog now. Click this, and just click refresh here a little bit. Needs a catalog. Click here. You have to create this, and go ahead and create your catalog here. Don't forget to read all this. Now put your information here. We're creating a catalog because we do need a catalog. So as you can see that you guys, I've created this account, this freshly new baked account, so that you guys could really know and see what it looks like starting from scratch. Now you just go ahead and fill out this info right here. Business center name. Let's go ahead. And sample. What's the time zone in your area? It's really important, especially if you have a business that's really strict on time. You're going to need to, like, huge companies don't just use one time zones. They actually have a lot of time zones. But since we're on the basic, just go ahead. Let's just pick Bangkok right here. We have an issue. Seems like the name is already taken, so yeah, that's one of the issues also. Just go ahead and click a name. Creating a new name here. So that's also an issue here. Let's go through the issue step by step. Is that one of the issues here? If you try to put a name that already has an owner, it'll make you redo it. So just click over that, and here's your enterprises. So what industry? We are e-commerce, of course. Default location. Let me search Philippines. And click create. That's it. Just make sure you review all of this. Here we go. And all of this items right here needs an entire video of their own to explain the basics. Okay, like product sets. We have videos. We have a lot of options here. Very, very identical to the Seller Center. Yeah, just get to feel and know the area here so that you won't get lost trying to do it in the first place. And now it's very important to really provision this. Really, really important, because this is the platform that's going to be responsible for your. So yeah, just take a good look here in the sample page. Now I'm going to teach you guys some basic, like how to upload a product. You just click here and add products, pretty much like the store platform. So you can see a bunch of options here, like data feed. We have schedule. So okay, let's just go ahead and click this one. Next, after you choose your option, and just put the data feed name. This is as fresh as it could get, you know. It's very crucial that we do this, because if we don't, your account will be sending off warnings that it is not well provisioned and not well set it up. So let's go back here. That's how you add a product. And what else samples should we get here? You could build your own team, actually, and create another account. Here's your audiences, where you could track who viewed your products here. That's your catalog. That's your shop. This is a shop that we've installed here using my email address. So if you haven't had any shop yet, just go ahead and create. The process is very similar. So you need a shop before you could go to ads center here. Create an ad center. This platform has really helped a lot in terms of business. And we're closer to the end here. Settings. It's very important to go to settings also to make sure that your account is well provisioned. Now this is the final step to making sure that your account is well provisioned or not. So look at it. As you can see, it's good. Account health is good. So that'd be it. We're almost finished on provisioning. This is your profile connected to your account as well. Let's not forget that you need a TikTok account first before going to this e-commerce platform right here. So what else should I teach you guys? Good account here. The account seems very, very stable here. Yeah, that's just a third API error. That's fine. Good. The 90-day account health overview. This so far so good. Now you could probably just set up your account. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, you guys have a nice day.